Good morning, everyone. So if you don't already know, my name is Steph. Hello and welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my cosy little corner in the northeast of Scotland. So if you're new here, you won't know that this channel has transitioned over time, growing every time. And back in 2020, I started this channel with my daughter during lockdown. And it was to grow together as a family and do things, crafty things, and grow vegetables. And also so family could kind of keep updated with the things that were happening. But when my daughter got a little bit bigger and she was at school, she was too tired to be doing YouTube videos, which is very understandable when you're young and you have school all day. So I decided, instead of closing down the channel, that I would turn it into my own channel. And that's when the first transition came, and I decided to build a career and start a business. So when I started my small business, I originally was doing art prints and notebooks, bookmarks, and the big one was stickers. And these were all my own drawings and designs. I did some watercolours as well. And as much as I loved doing it, it never really took off like I wanted it to. YouTube, it worked quite well with YouTube because I was teaching people as I was learning. But the best was yet to come. So I was working 3 jobs. I had a part-time job, a cleaning job, and I was doing YouTube and running my own business, which was full-time, I tell you. It was evenings, weekends, mornings, it was everything. And after about a year of hustle, I decided that I would leave my part-time job and my cleaning job, and I would go back to college, and I would finish doing art college. And that is when I stumbled upon hat burning, which became the biggest thing on this YouTube channel. As soon as I posted that first video, that's when I gained a lot more subscribers, a lot more comments, and then the channel kind of transitioned into me burning hats for 3 years, which is absolute madness. But I loved every single minute of it. Every single minute. Now, we're still going to be doing hats, so don't go panicking, guys. But I've said before in the channel that I'd like to add more things in. I miss doing watercolours. I have a camper van that I'd like to go travelling around with Olivia in and do more art that way. And eventually, one day I might even get to travel properly in my van and create art. And I feel like that's one of the goals I have in life. And this channel will probably document all of it, because I'm not giving this channel up anytime soon. So welcome everybody that is new, but also welcome back everybody that has been here for a while. And I hope you'll join me in this exciting new transition of the channel. So, thanks guys. And I will see you soon.